To claim a tax refund online in the UK, you will need to follow a series of steps. First, you need to check if you are eligible for a tax refund, which typically applies to individuals who have paid too much income tax or have made allowable expenses that can be claimed against their tax bill. You can claim a tax refund online through the UK government's website by using the Government Gateway account. If you do not have a Government Gateway account, you will need to create one, which requires your national insurance number and some personal details. Once you have logged into your account, you will need to fill out the tax return form, which includes providing details about your income, expenses, and any reliefs you are claiming. You will also need to have your P60 and P45 forms to hand, as these contain information about your income and tax paid. When filling out the tax return form, ensure you claim all allowable expenses, such as work-related expenses or charity donations. You should also make sure you claim any tax reliefs you are eligible for, such as blind person's allowance or marriage allowance. After completing the tax return form, you will need to submit it and wait for HMRC to process your claim. This can take several weeks, and you will be contacted if there are any issues with your claim. It is essential to keep records of your income, expenses, and tax payments, as these may be required to support your claim. You should also be aware of the time limits for making a tax refund claim, which is typically 4 years from the end of the tax year in which the overpayment was made. By following these steps and providing accurate and complete information, you can successfully claim a tax refund online in the UK. It is also recommended that you seek advice from a tax professional if you are unsure about any aspect of the process.